In order to keep Google Ads safe and appropriate for everyone, all ads submitted are reviewed to make sure they are compliant with Google Ads policies. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching in. In this video, I will review how the Google Ads process works and how long it should take for your ad to be approved. How ad approval works. Once you have created or edited an ad within Google Ads, the process of reviewing the ad begins immediately. The content with the ad is checked, including the headlines, descriptions, keywords, destination URL, and any image or video attached. Whilst this is being checked, the status of your ad will be under review. If the content of your ad passes the review, you will see that the status of it will change to approved and it will start to be shown immediately to your target audience. If the result of the review is that the ad violates one of the Google policies, the status will change to disapproved, which means that you will need to make edits before it can be shown. At this point, you will get a notification to tell you why it has been disapproved and the next steps to rectify this. How long does it take? Most of the time, ad reviews are carried out within one business day, and you will be notified of the results fairly quickly. It is possible that the review may take a bit longer if it is a bit more complex. If the approval process takes more than 2 business days, you should contact Google for more information. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in. I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.